Welcome to Nabeel Math Academy. This is Dr. Mohammed Nabeel. In this video, we are going to see the trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule. So the given question is using trapezoidal rule to approximate the integral 0 to 3 over 1 plus x square dx using n equals 6, the subinterval, and correct to the 3 decimal places. The first step to solve the problem is to find the value of h. And the given formula for h is b minus a over n. Since the value is given here, this is a and the upper limit is b, and this is my function f of x, and this is the n which is given. So just I substitute the value here. So b is the upper limit, which is 3 o minus 0. This is the lower limit over 6. N is given in the question as 6. So 3 over 6, which is equal 0.5. So this is my h. Now we are going to see how to calculate the table using calculator. So for that one, I have to go first with the mode in the calculator. If I press mode, you will find a table 7, number 7, which is the table 7. Number 7 is the table. If you click the 7, so it asks the function f of x. What is f of x? F of x is given the function which is given in the integral, which is 3 over 1 plus x square. In this case, in this problem, we have f of x equal 3 over 1 plus x square. If you press just with the function 3 over 1 plus x square. So this is the function I have just fixed in the calculator. Now press equal. It asks the g of x. If there is any other function, you will have to put it the g of x. If it is not the function, just press equal. And it will ask the start. What is the start? So start is nothing but the lower limit where the process will start. So the lower limit is equals 0. Just I press 0 equal. So it will ask end. What is the end? So therefore end is nothing but the upper limit, which is 3. So I press 3 equal. And it will ask the step. What is the step here? At what step you need? So a step is nothing but your h. So this is my h. So h is 0.5. I just press 0.5 equal. So you will find it the table, since the table is given in terms of the one decimal, because in the question it is asking correct to the 3 decimal places. This is the question which is given in the question. I have to approximate the value up to the 3 decimal. So I have to fix the function calculator in terms of 3 decimal. So just press shift mode. You will have a fix here. So to fix the function, shift plus mode. Therefore here 6. So I need the 3 decimal places. So after that, so just press equal. So this is a function. Just I copy the function from the calculator. So this is my x value. Always you have to give this is x, and this is my f of x, and mi, and mi into f of x. So just I copy these two columns from the calculator. So what is the function here? This is 0 and the f of x is 3. And next value, which is 0.5, it is 2.4. Next here 1, the function is 1.5, and 2. Then what is the next one? Here we will have 1.5. So this is 1.5. 1.5, the value is 0.923. Yes. The next 2. The f of x value is 0.6, and if I put it 2.5, this is 0.14137, and the last value we will have, so this is for 3, 0.3. So this is the two columns I have filled from the calculator. So always the value will start with the lower limit, that is 0. In this case our lower limit is 0, and it will be end up to the upper limit. So always you have to be remembered this one. And for trapezoidal, this is same for all the problem in the trapezoidal rule. So you just plus 1 and then here 1. So this is uniformly for all the problem of trapezoidal rule. Mi will be fixed. So here the remaining in betweens are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is a formula you can remember for all the values of trapezoidal rule. This mi column will not change. Now I just multiply. What is the multiplication here? I just move this one and then multiply. You will have 3 here. Then multiply 2.5 into 2. This is decimal. I need the decimal here. 4.8. Okay, this is 3. If you multiply, then 0.923 into 2. So the value will be 1.846. Since it is showing the 3 decimal, because we are fixing the calculator in terms of 3 decimal points. So this is 1.2. It is 0.6 into 2. This is 1.2. And just we have to multiply this 0.4137 into 2. So the value will be 0.827. And if you multiply with the 1, so you will get this one. So the last column, you have to take the summation of the last column. What is the summation for this column? So I just added this one. So this is 3 plus 4.8 plus 3 plus 1.846 plus then 1.12 plus 0.827 plus zero point 0.3. So just I write it this one. So you will get the value as 14.973. So this is my summation. Now the formula for the trapezoidal rule. So the given integral, I will assume it as a I, or you can write it the integral 0 to 3 over 1 plus x square dx. It can be written as h over 2 into the sum. So this is the formula for trapezoidal rule. So just all the values are there. Just I will substitute the value. So h is 0.5 over 2 and the sum, this is my sum. The sum is 14.973. So I will just multiply here, multiply by 0.5. So therefore the answer will be this over 2. So answer is given by, which is approximate to 3.743. So you can check the answer by using the direct in the calculator. So it should be nearer to this value. So let us check with the direct. So the function will be what here? 3 over 1 plus x square, and the limits are given by limits are given by 0 and this is 3. So just press equal. So the answer will be 3.747. It is direct method, and it should be nearer to this value. So 3.747 is the exact answer. By using trapezoidal rule, we will get 3.743. So our answer is correct. So you can cross check your answer. If you have make mistake, you can just go through the backward. You can just go through the sum. If you have make a mistake in the multiplication and addition, the table. So the same thing, it is a trapezoidal rule. Now the same problem I am taking, I will solve this one using Simpson's rule. So how will you solve this one? So the same story we have to repeat again. Here the difference is only the rule. So we are using the same question but different rule. So it is b minus a over again. So as we know, this is the upper limit minus lower limit over 6. So this is equal 6, which is zero point 0.5. So up to this, it is no change. Now I have to go through the same table. So I will go through the table, the same story, 7, and then f of x, which is equal 3 over 1 plus x square, and then it will ask g of x. I don't have g of x, just skip it. And the start value, what is start value? Start value 0, end value, which is 3, and step, that is my h step is equal 0.5, which is equal my h. So you will get the same schedule what we have done before. So I write it here 4, 1, this is 3 over 1 plus alpha x square equal, I don't have g of x, 0 is the starting value, ending value 3, step is 0.5 equal. So you will get the two values. The same table I will write it here. This is f x and f of x. So this is my 0, 3. 0.5, you will have 2.4. We already fixed in 3 decimal places. That's why the calculator will display only the 3 decimal. And then 1.5, what is the value? It is 0.923, 2, 2.5 and 3. So what is 2 here? 0.6. Then we will have 0.4137. Yes. And the last one is 0.3. Now the mi, here there is an exact change. So the formula is changing here in the Simpsons, whereas in the trapezoidal we use 1 1 and the remaining in betweens are 2 2. So the same story here. I start with 1 and the akhar value 1. Therefore, the in between value, it is not 2 2. I start with 4 2. I start with the 4, alternate the same thing, 4 2, 4 2, 4. I never bother about the ending value. It may be end with the 4, it will be end with the 2. But the starting value must be what? It should be 4 2. This is the only difference in the Simpsons and trapezoidal rule. Now when you multiply this one, what happened here? So this is a multiplication. You will have 3 here. So this is 4, 2.4 into 4. So it is 9.6. Here 3 and 0.92. 3 into 4 will have 3.692. When you multiply by 2.6 into 2, it is 1.2. Here 0.14137 into 4. So it is 1.65525. Now when you multiply with the 1, you will have getting the same thing. Here the same story, I have to make the summation. What is the summation for this one? So I will add it this 3 plus 9.6 plus 3 plus 3.692 plus 1.2 plus 1.655 plus zero point 0.3. So the answer will be, you will have 22.447. So I write it that one, 22.447. Here we will have to write it the same formula. Integral 0 to 3 over 1 plus x square dx. It can be written as the formula as given by h over 3 into sum. Whereas in the trapezoidal, we are using h over 2 into sum. H over 2 into sum. And here we are using h over 3 into sum. This is the only difference in the Simpsons and trapezoidal. You will find it. This is the one change, and the second change is mi. This is the only difference in the Simpsons and trapezoidal rule. Now I have all the values, just substitute the values. So what is that? It is 0.5 over 3 into 22.447. So I have to calculate this into zero point 0.5 over 3. So over 3. So the answer will be, which is approximate to 3.741, which is the nearest to the approximate value, which is the nearest to the exact value. You can check the answer using calculator as we done before. So this is what we've done. Integral. So this is 3 over 1 plus x square, and the function is here 0, and the limit is 3 here. So the answer will be 3.747. So for using exact, this is the answer. Using Simpson's rule, this is 3.747. So our approximation is correct. So thank you.